She wanted to be an air hostess, but language was her biggest fear. She always dreamed of flying, but one fear kept her grounded: language. She only knew 2, but international flights needed 10. She tried learning fast, but the pressure was faster, until someone introduced her to a traveler's secret weapon: Langualpha, the app that speaks over 100 languages for you. From safety announcements to helping passengers, she speaks to the world. She didn't learn 10 languages, she downloaded one. Langualpha, your voice in every language. Your dreams shouldn't stop at borders. Speak to the world with Langualpha. Download now. Available on App Store and Google Play.